Are you ready to take control of your tasks and boost your productivity? ClickUp is the game-changing tool that can transform your workflow in just minutes. With its intuitive features, you'll streamline collaborations, stay organized effortlessly, unlock your potential today, and experience the difference ClickUp can make. So, hello everyone, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use ClickUp. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into ClickUp.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that helps teams and individuals organize tasks and manage workflows. It features task management, time tracking, goal setting, and document sharing, all in one platform. With customizable views and automation options, ClickUp enhances collaboration and boosts productivity. It's designed for users of all industries and team sizes, making project management seamless and efficient. So right now I will show you how you can get started with this platform. So firstly we have here the pricing. So let's click over the pricing and we'll find here the pricing. The first one here we have free forever. As you can see, we have key features here: 100 megabyte storage, unlimited tasks, unlimited free plan members, two-factor authentication, collaborative documents, whiteboards, everything view, real-time chat, combine ports, sprint management, calendar view, custom file manager basic, and we have application video recording. Then we have support and one form as well. Then we have the second package. We have here unlimited, and you have to pay $7 per month. And we have the third one, business and best for mid-sized teams. You have to pay $12 per month. And we have enterprise, and here we have it's best for mini large teams. About this one, the price, you have just to contact sales to know the pricing, and we have here the key features for each one. You can just read it to more understand before getting started to know which one is better or comfortable or the one you need. For example, I will just click over free forever, or I will just come back and I will click over sign up. All right, once you click over sign up, you'll find the other page, which is this one. All right, you have just to enter your work email and you click over next. Then you will find other page, which is this one. You can use the option of Google. We can just add your name and your work email, your password. Here we have minimum 8 characters, and you click over apply with ClickUp. Right? Then you will find other page, which is this one. Here we have some questions that you have to answer. For example, the first question we have here: what would you like to use ClickUp? For example, if it's work, personal, or school, then you click over next. Then we have here how large is your company, if it's between 1 and 10, 11 and 25, or here we have other things, or you can just click over I don't know. Then we have here how many people will you be working with. We'll just select just me. Then we have here what would you like to, what would you like to manage, if it's HR and recruiting, finance and accounting, support, sales and CRM, professional service as well. Then you click over next. Then we have here how did you hear about us, if it's Facebook and Instagram, Reddit, Snapchat, YouTube. You can just select the one you. Then we have here to use any of this to do. For example, we have to do list, Excel, we have write, Confluence, Monday, Asana, Notion. For example, I'll select Excel and I will click over next. Then we have here which features are you interested in trying. For example, we have CRM, whiteboards, calendar. I will select, for example, calendar and whiteboards and CRM and workload, for example. Then I will click over next and we'll find the last thing, which here we have what would you like to. We have here try the name of the company or organization as well. Then I will click over finish and you will find the other page, which is this one, and this is the dashboard and this is my account. All right, so after creating an account on ClickUp, the first step is to set up your workspace by inviting team members and customizing settings to fit your needs. Next, you have just to create projects by adding folders and lists to organize tasks effectively. Then add tasks within those lists, assigning due dates, priorities, and labels for better tracking. Visualize views like Kanban, Gantt, or calendar to visualize your work. Finally, you have to explore automation options and integrations with other applications to enhance collaboration and streamline your workflow. Right? So this is the dashboard. Let's discover it together. So the firstly we have here in the left are various options. For example, for the home, here we have the home, and you have just to select the one you want. For example, if you want to add tasks or reminder to my work, then we have assign it to me as well. Then we have here agenda, then we have here inbox in the left, and we have documents as well. If you want to just add documents, you click over here in the right plus, and we have here, you have just to add your title, and you have here to use the option of start writing, blank wiki, write with AI, table, column, click up list as well. Then here we have in the top right the option of share. You can just share it as you can see. Then we have here the dashboard. If you want to add dashboard, you have just to choose here. For example, I will click over plus here in the right, and you have to choose a dashboard template. Get started with a dashboard template to create a custom dashboard to fit your exact needs. This is a simple dashboard. Easily manage at priorities, tailor tasks, team reporting, encourage collaboration by viewing progress across team, time tracking, view and report on time tracking metrics. Then we have here project management, client portal, and we have here start from scratch if you want. All right, so this is the features if you want to start from scratch. Then we have here also option of clips. You can just start recording. You click over here, record a clip, and you have just to click over start recording and you get started with this one. All right, then we have here timesheets, and the timesheets you can just also click over plus in the right, and you have just to enter time, select tasks, and you select the day and the time and other things. Then you add also notes if you want, and add tags, and you click over save as you can see. Then we have here more options such as documents, dashboard, whiteboards, clips, goals, and timesheets as well. If we scroll down, we'll find also here some favorites like spacing. So this is the important one. So about spacing, you can just here, for example, if you scroll down, you can just create space like that, and you add here the icon and name, and we have here a space represents teams, departments, or groups, each with its own lists, workflows, and settings. You can also add description, and you can just also make it private if you want, and you click over continue. All right, so this is about this team space. We have also here if you want to add a project. For example, you select list, documents, form, whiteboard, folder, from template, import as well. Right, so this is it. And also here we have other options, like if we just go to the inbox, we'll find here for an option of inbox, important, other. We have also snoozed, cleared if you want. Then we have here in the right the option of filter. As you can see, from assign to me, mention to me, or read only. If we want also customize, here we have customize. You can just group my by date. We have customized importance, display mode, and we have here notification settings, keyboard shortcuts. All right. So ClickUp is an essential tool for boosting productivity and organization. By setting up your workspace and utilizing its features, you can streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration. With automation and integration, it helps you manage tasks efficiently. You just start using ClickUp today to transform how you achieve your goal. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.